curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Len. This is Len's Den. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Isabelle from Animal Crossing. I already glued my brows down, already smoked 2 bowls. And again, we're celebrating Animal Crossing New Horizons. I'm so ready for this game to come out, though when this video goes up, it'll probably be out already. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure you check it out. And if you already have it, comment or like DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Like, check those links out down below too. But give me your your ID, your friend thing, and we can be friends and go to each other's islands if you want to. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready with this Isabelle look. Yeah, so you actually I have like glue on my face. I'm nervous that maybe I put too much glue or something, because I feel like this is gonna show up again. I did let them dry for like 20 minutes this time instead of like my original video that I did with the first face paint look, and not let them dry. It says do not use red, yellow, or orange in the area of the eyes, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm using the black of her. I'm gonna do the outline of her eyes first, and then I'm gonna do the yellow for her face, which I can do everywhere else. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with like a little like detail kind of brush, so it's super thin. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm using the same palette as last time, the Mehron makeup. It's it's Paradise Makeup AQ. It's the 8 color palette. You want to just make sure you dip it in some water first, and you're going to add water to the paint, and that's how you're going to get it to activate. I have an idea that I was kind of going to use, like, so I'm going to insert a photo here again of her. Those like lines above her eyes, I was going to use that as like kind of where my eyebrows are. Maybe like a little bit lower, because I just want to make sure that like the black is covering my eye, that way the yellow isn't on it at all, you know. I think I'll start from like I'm gonna bring it out a little bit more. So my measurements may be slightly wrong, but I just want to make sure that that yellow paint is not touching my eye. It'll be switching like between colors, because I'm not gonna show you, like I have to wait, so I'm gonna turn the camera off because I gotta wait. Like I'm gonna wait a good amount this time, a little bit longer than I did the last time, just to see if that will do anything. Hey, okay, we are getting somewhere. I'm so excited. But seriously, let me know if you guys want to see any other Animal Crossing characters, any Mario, Overwatch. I don't know if you could do Overwatch, because I think they probably like, I mean, I guess I don't really have the colors, I'd have to get them, but that'd be fine. That'd be fine. I feel like it goes down a good amount. And then the next eye. So I'm going to clean it up and let it dry. And then we will be right back. It's still semi-drying, but I realized there's some other things I can do. So real quick, I'm going to do her nose, which is like that. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a bigger brush. Like so. By the way, I just used it also for the... Oh, okay, that's super buttery, my bad. Oh yes, please highlight all of my blackheads. I kind of look like a puppy right now. I think that's like her nose. I'm gonna do the outline of her like mouth face part. I don't know how to describe it. Also, I'm like mixing colors, like you can't really see, but I'm mixing the yellow and white to try and get the right color. We shall see. So it's a little bit above the nose. This might actually be more like her skin color, but sadly I'm gonna end up probably being like yellow for her skin color because yeah, that's the color I'm gonna go with. Okay. Ooh. I'm crying. This is incorrect, ma'am. Hey, that's the color I wanted. Now I'm gonna real quick, I'm going to put concealer on my lips, wait for it to dry, the whole thing, put powder on real quick, and then paint my lips the yellow as well. And then we'll probably do her face yellow. BRB. Yes, okay. Like, I know it's not great for the skin, but it feels great. Like, try painting your face sometime. Do it with a face mask though. Try that. That's fun. Dun dun dun. Ooh, girl. Uh-oh, eyebrows. Uh-oh. Yeah, they showed up. Okay, so I realized I also made another mistake, which was once you do the eyebrow glue, you're supposed to put the brows upwards, and then after they dry you put powder on them, let that set, and then remove the powder. Did not do any of that besides the glue, so we will try that again in another video, and maybe third time is the charm. Because I think that'll only be my third time. Yeah. Hello! I'm getting somewhere. Let's go. Alright. Definitely make sure to comment down below and let me know if you think this look was an improvement from the previous video. Make sure you check that out too if you didn't. I was like, what else do I need to get done? By the way, in between the break, may have took another Keef bowl, but yeah. Now I'm gonna do her, the white part of the eyes, and then I'm gonna do the mouth. Yeah. For the white part of the eyes, I'm gonna use the brush that came with the set. It's the final countdown. Okay. Whoops, my battery died. I mean, no, sorry, the card is full. Alright, going in with the white. Alright, I'll let this dry now. And while the white dries, I'm going to do brown. I'm going to try and use one of my eyeshadows to get the lighter brown because the brown in the palette is dark brown. So, or like, it's not really dark brown, it's like normal brown, but her lips are like a light brown. Oh, it is not coming up, huh? Wait, hold on. There we go. You know what? It might be better just to use my finger. This is not easy to use eyeshadow on. Oh, her mouth's slightly off. Fuck. I was looking at it from the wrong angle. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. While that dries, I'm gonna fix the black. And I will be right back. We're gonna do the circles on her cheeks. And now I'm gonna do her mouth, which I'm just gonna do the brown and add some white to it and see if that will make the color that I want, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna go in with this kind of brush. I realized I stopped showing you the kind of brushes, my bad. I think I'm done. I think I just gotta do my hair. I just gotta do my hair, guys. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below if you play Animal Crossing or if there's any Nintendo games that you like. Maybe I'll do a character from there. I hope you enjoyed. I think I might have done that already, but anyway, I had really fun doing this, and I'll see you next week. Make sure to follow my Instagram and Twitter down below. Bye!